Ndị Igbo, anybody telling you that Southeast is landlocked, that person is an enemy of your progress. The same people who are telling you that Southeast is landlocked are the same people who are spreading false claims that nobody is living in the Southeast. Imaho, the same people telling you that Southeast is landlocked are the same people who have spent years demarketing the region. They have spent years of their life demarketing and spreading propaganda about Southeast. They have used their media to spread so many propaganda and lies about Southeastern region. Ndị osuimi, hana tag, hana fugu, neti, I bofu Nigeria o. Ndị osuimi, enemy of our regional progress. On a positive note, Governor Alex Otti, in conjunction with China Harbour Engineering Company, led by Nicholas Liu, are discussing a proposed Abia Seaport and Inland Waterways Corridor project in Abia State. This is a welcome development in the southeastern region, and we support it. Ya gazie ise onye ihe ọma na-ewe iwe nya biko wegbo ya sekemsem osukosu nwankpi nya biko sugbo ha semsem. All the critics and haters of Ndị Igbo are gonna lie. Southeast is landlocked. Southeast is landlocked. Landlord out.